Every new investor hits this question. Should I invest regularly or wait for the perfect dip? Today on MartikFinance, we break down DCA versus buying the dip, fast, simple, and real. Not financial advice. 1. What DCA actually does. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount consistently, weekly or monthly, no matter what the market is doing. If prices rise, you buy less. If prices drop, you buy more. Simple, emotion-free, and perfect for people earning regular income. DCA wins because you don't hesitate, you don't try timing, you just stay invested and let time do the heavy lifting. 2. What buying the dip really means. Buying the dip sounds smart. Wait for stocks to get cheaper. But what's a dip? 5%? 10%? 15%? Most people think they'll buy when prices fall. But when the market drops, fear takes over. They wait for lower, then the market rebounds, and they miss everything. Even pros struggle with timing. Dip buying works only if you stay calm and act fast. Most people don't. 3. Quick example. Mason invests $500 every month using DCA. By year-end, he's fully invested and catches all the growth. Jordan waits for a 10% dip. The market falls 8%, then shoots back up. He waits and ends the year still holding cash. DCA keeps you in the game. Dip buying often leaves you on the sidelines. 4. The Schwab 20-year study. Clearview Investment Research tested 5 investors with $2,000 a year from 2003-2022. Perfect timer, bought at the exact bottom, $138K. Invests immediately, first day each year, $127K. DCA, monthly slow and steady, $124,000. Worst timer, always bought at the top, $121,000. The waiter stayed in cash, $44K. The lesson? Being invested beats waiting for perfection. 5. What actually works? Lump sum investing often performs best long-term. But DCA is nearly as strong and way easier for most people. Buying the dip can work, but only with discipline and a clear plan. Most people freeze when the dip hits. 6. A smart hybrid. Many investors use DCA as their base strategy and keep a little extra cash for big market drops. That way you stay consistent but still take advantage of real dips, not imagined ones. Even Warren Buffett recommends steady investing in index funds for most people. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to MartikFinance for simple, real investing content. Comment below. Are you Team DCA or Team Buy the Dip? Stay smart, stay consistent, and let your money work harder than you do. Thanks for watching. See you soon.